my Valentine week series, I'll be uploading and sharing with you guys last minute and budget friendly ideas. So stay tuned. Hello friends, so my today's video is on Promise Day. Okay, so this is really very unique idea which I thought of and I hope you like it. So this can be used by anyone. If you are in a relationship, you can use this. If you are single, you can use this. It's really very simple. What you can do is just make a card, and if you don't want to make a card, you can even WhatsApp this thing. It's really very unique but really very simple and common. And now just write what I am writing now, and I have given this in the description box also. Okay, so the card reads as follows. Happy Promise Day. Today, on this Promise Day of 2018, I give you a chance that you can ask for any 3 promise from me at any time throughout the year. So today I give you 3 blank promises. Your wish, ask for any promise and I promise I will maintain that promise forever. I promise. Like, it's really very different. Always what everyone does is that I promise this, I promise that, I promise, I promise, I promise. Simple, that's it, done. But what I have thought of is ask for promise. Like, obviously if you are asking a friend or your girlfriend or boyfriend, then ask them what promise you want me to make. Like, when you promise something, you promise what is in your convenience. But when you ask for promise, that matters. Like, it matters, that's it. So ask for promises, and yes, you be ready. The promise can be of anything. So if you are asking this, then be ready and be with your words. That's it. I have put this text in the description box so you can copy it from there. And I hope you like my video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And first thing, why to like if you like this video, then comment. What you will comment? Simple, comment if you have any other ideas. Then share with your friends so even they can make use of these ideas. Then subscribe. Why to subscribe? Like, I am uploading every day a new video on my Valentine week series. So tomorrow I'll be uploading a video on Hug Day. Yes, it's really cheesy, and if you think that it is only for the person who are in a relationship, no, I have some ideas for the people who are single. So do subscribe. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.